Hello guys, this is Prime Concept once again, and we have another problem to analyze under our curved mirrors. If you have been following my videos, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like my videos whenever you come across them, and share with your friends so that they can also benefit, and also feel free to drop your comments so that we'll know what's on your mind. Now we have a problem. Let's simply analyze this problem. The question says an object of height 5 millimeter. So the height of our object is 5 millimeter, is placed 20 cm in front of a convex mirror. So what it means is that we are dealing with a convex mirror in this case, right? So you take note of that. The object is placed at a distance of 20 cm from the mirror. So it means that our object distance u is 20 cm. And if you recall from our sign convention, we mentioned that object distance for both concave and convex mirror, they are always negative. So I'm simply going to insert my minus sign there. Then they said the convex mirror of radius of curvature 20. So it means that our radius of curvature r is 20 cm. For a convex mirror, our radius of curvature, is it positive or negative? You are very correct. It's positive. So this is our radius of curvature. Now, it said calculate the position and size of the image. Now, what does position of image means? Position simply means image distance, V. So we want to find V, then they say size. Size means height of image. So these are the two things we need to find in this problem. Now, first thing I want to do is to determine my focal length so I can solve every other problem there. If you recall, we know that focal length is radius of curvature divided by 2. And then our radius of curvature is 20 divided by 2. So our focal length becomes 10 cm. So we have what we need to solve our problem. Now we're going to use our mirror formula, which says 1 by f equals 1 by v plus 1 by u. And we're trying to find v. So I'll make 1 by v the subject. So I have 1 by f minus, when this crosses, this plus changes to minus. So minus 1 by u equals 1 by v. So this is what I have, which if I then substitute or rearrange that properly, I should have something like this. So I can rearrange this. I would quickly do it and have something like 1 over v equals 1 by f minus 1 by u. So if I substitute my values, I would have 1 by f, which is 10, minus 1 by my u is 20, minus 20. So you still notice that minus would fizzle minus. Minus minus is plus. So I have 1 by v equals 1 by 10. This becomes plus 1 by 20. So 1 by v is equal to what? Now my LCM is 20. 10 in 20 is 2. 2 times 1 is this. 20 in 20 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So automatically I have 2 plus 1, which is 3 divided by 20, right? Now remember, this is 1 over v, which is 3 over 20. It means that v itself is going to be 20 divided by 3. Just flip it. So if you divide this, you will get 20 divided by 3 to be 6.67 cm. So this is what we have as our V, because which is positive, simply telling you that our image is going to be virtual, which you know for a convex mirror. Now if I rub this, the second part of the question said we should find the height of the image. So I'm going to use the formula I know for magnification. We know that magnification is hi over HO equals minus V over U. Magnification is hi over HO. Magnification again is minus V over U. So you can equate both of them to find hi. But before we solve, do you think that the height of our image will be bigger than the height of our object? Do you think that? So before you watch the video till the end, drop your comment in the section. Let me know. Do you think the height of the image will be bigger than the height of the object? And give your reason why it should be bigger or less. Give your reason. And let's check. We want to find the height of the image. So our height of image is going to be minus v times height of object divided by u. Now, I'm not going to convert. Some students may jump into conversion. I'm not going to convert because at the end of the day, I'll still get the height of my image to be in millimeter. So let's see the reason why you don't necessarily need to convert, depending on your option. So I have minus. So what is my v? My v is 6.67 cm. My HO is 5 millimeter divided by my U. My U is minus 20 cm. So what do you think will happen here? You can see that cm would fizzle cm. So what unit are you left with? Millimeter. So my final answer for the height of my image is going to be in millimeter. So my H, height of image. So let's multiply that and see. 6.67 times 5 divided by 20. So I have 1.67 millimeter. So my answer will still be in millimeter, and that is why it's not necessary to convert, right? But then if your options are not in millimeter, at this point you can now convert to the convenient units in your option. So this is the end of this problem. I believe this concept is really very clear to you. If you have watched till this point, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment so that every other person can see this. Remember, this is Prime Concept. Thank you.